Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of Durud Islam on beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Students, mathematics exercise 7A for class 7 abstract students and exercise 13A for new syllabus mathematics D1. And the question is, there is a figure in which BCD is the semicircle and BOD is the diameter and O is the center, and BAD is triangle in which BA is 5.7 and AD is equal to congruent to BA. That's why the length of this side will also be 5.7, and the length between AC, that is 8 centimeter. We have to find the area of this figure as well as we have to find the perimeter of this figure. So students, first of all, I will find the radius of the semicircle. So radius will be 7 over 2 centimeter and radius will become 3.5 centimeter. Now students, I will find the circumference of semicircle. Circumference of semicircle will be, semi means students half and the circumference means 2 pi r. It is the formula of the circumference. 2 will be cancelled to 2 and the value of pi is 22 over 7 and the radius is 3.5 centimeter. So students, 7 ones are 7, 7 zeros are 0 and 3 carry, 7 fives are 35 and it will become 22 multiplied by 0.5 centimeter, and when 22 will multiply 0.5 it will become 11 centimeter. Now students, perimeter of the figure will be, perimeter of figure will be 11 plus 11 is the circumference from this corner to this, and then DA is 5.7 and AB is 5.7. So I will write 5.7 plus 5.7 centimeter. And students, when we sum up all the numbers, it will become 22.4, and that is the perimeter of this figure. Now I have to find the area of this figure. For this purpose, first we will find the area of the semicircle whose radius is 3.5, and then we will find the area of triangle BAD whose base will be 7 and whose perpendicular will be, students, 8 minus, if I find the length from A to O, it will become 8 minus 3.5. Because 3.5 is the radius, so I will subtract 3.5 from 8 and that will be the altitude of triangle BAD, and in this way we will find the area of triangle BAD and area of the semicircle. So students, first I will find area of semicircle, and that will be 1 over 2 multiplied by pi r square. 1 over 2 is written for semi and the value of pi is 22 over 7 and r is, students, 3.5 and it is written 2 times because there is r square, so it will become centimeter square. 7 ones are 7, 7 zeros are 0, then 3 carry, 7 fives are 35. 2 1s are 2, 2 11s are 22. So the area of semicircle will be 11 multiplied by 0.5 multiplied by 3.5 centimeter square. Now students, I will multiply all the three numbers to get the area of the semicircle. So students, when we multiply all the three numbers, we will get 19.25, and that is the area of the semicircle. Now students, we have to find the area of triangle BAD in which the base is 7 and altitude or height of this triangle will be 8 minus 3.5, that is the radius. So first I will find length or height of triangle BAD, that will be, students, 8 minus 3.5 centimeter, and it will be 4.5 centimeter, and base of the triangle, base of triangle BAD is 7 centimeter. Now students, I will find the area of triangle BAD. Area of triangle BAD will be equal to half of base multiplied by height. So 1 over 2 multiplied by base is 7 centimeter and height is 4.5, and it will be centimeter square. Now students, I will use calculator to find the area of this triangle, and it is written as 7 multiplied by 4.5 divided by 2. So the area is 15.75 centimeter square. Now students, I will sum up both the areas. I mean to say area of semicircle and area of triangle, and that will be the total area. So students, area of the figure will be 19.25 plus 15.75 centimeter square. Students, 19.25 plus 0.75 means 20. 20 plus 15, it will be 35 centimeter square. So the area of this figure is 35 centimeter square. Students, question number 14 of the same exercise. There is a circle in which it is the shaded region, and the radius of the large circle is 10 centimeter, and it is the small semicircle, and this region is also shaded region, whereas the length from this point to this point is 3 centimeter, and we have to find the perimeter that is started from this A, and it is the circumference, and then it goes to this side, and then it comes to here, and then it is from this corner to this corner, and this, all this is the circumference of the shaded region. So students, first we will find the circumference of the large semicircle, then small semicircle, then quarter circle with same radius, and then the radius from O to this point will be 7 because it is total 10, and we subtract this 3, and the radius from O to this point will be 7, and then we will find the circumference of the quarter circle whose radius is 7 centimeter, and the radius of this small semicircle will be 5 because it is the diameter from small semicircle from O to D, and when we will find the radius of small semicircle, that will be 5. So students, we will find the circumference first and then area of the shaded part. So students, first I will find the circumference of semicircle, large semicircle D, whose diameter is DOB and its radius will be 10. So I will write circumference of large semicircle, that will be 1 over 2 multiplied by 2 pi r. 2 will be cancelled to 2. 22 over 7 multiplied by 10 because the radius of large semicircle is 10, and we will get 220 over 10. Now students, I will use calculator to find the answer of 220 divided by 7, and that is 31.43. 31.43 centimeter is the circumference from this corner D to B. Now students, I will find the circumference of small semicircle whose radius is 5. So I will write circumference of small semicircle, and that will be 1 over 2 multiplied by 2 pi r. So 2 will be cancelled to 2, 22 over 7 multiplied by r from semicircle is 10 over 2. So I will write it as 5 or you can write it as 10 over 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2 and it will be 11. 11 multiplied by 10 means 110 over 7. And now students divide 110 with 2 and we will get 15.71. 15.71 centimeter is the circumference of this semicircle. Now students, I will find the circumference of this quarter circle whose radius is 10. Now I will write circumference of quarter circle, that will be 1 over 4 multiplied by 2 pi r. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and it is written as 1 over 2 multiplied by 22 over 7 multiplied by radius of this large quarter circle is 10. 2 1s are 2, 2 11s are 10 and it will be 110 over 7, and when we divide 110 by 7 we will get 15.71 centimeter. Now students, I will find the circumference of this quarter circle whose radius will be 10 minus 3 and it will be 7. Now students, I will write circumference of small quarter circle, that will be equal to 1 over 4 for quarter multiplied by 2 pi r, and it is the formula of the circumference of the circle. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and it will be 1 over 2 multiplied by the value of pi is 22 over 7 multiplied by, students, radius for this quarter circle will be 7 because OA is 10 and EA is 3. So OE will be 7 and it is written as 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7 and 2 1s are 2, 2 11s are, so its circumference is 11 centimeter. Now students, keep in mind that from this point D to B the circumference is 31.43. From this corner to this corner it is 15.71, as well as from A to B it is 15.71 and E to C is 11 and EA is 3, that will also be added, and CO is 7 and it is also be added. So it will be the circumference or perimeter of the shaded region. So I will write total perimeter of shaded region, that will be, students, 31.43 plus 15.71 plus 15.71 plus 11. Now students, I am explaining it again. From D to B it is 31.43, not 41, and from B to A it is 15.71, from D to O it is 15.71, and from E to C it is 11, and from A to E it is 3, and students, from C to O it is 7. So it is the total perimeter of the shaded region. Now I will use calculator to sum up all the numbers. So students, that is 83.85 centimeter, and it is the total circumference or perimeter of the shaded region that we have found it out. Now students, we have to find the area of the shaded region. So for finding out the area of shaded region, we will divide this figure into three portions. One is DOB, I mean to say the below half of the circle whose the radius is 10 centimeter. So first we will find the area of large semicircle, then we will find the area of the small semicircle whose radius is 5, and then we will find the area of large quarter, and then we will find the area of small quarter circle, and then we will subtract the smaller quarter circle's area from the largest quarter circle area, and that will be the area of the shaded region. So students, keep in mind that there are 4 portions whose areas will be found out. One is large semicircle, then small semicircle, then large quarter circle, then small quarter circle, and then we will subtract the area of small quarter circle from the large quarter circle, and then we will add up the area of this region, and this region, and that will be the total area of the shaded part. So students, first I will find the area of large semicircle, and it is written as area of large semicircle, and that will be 1/2 for semi, and then we will write the formula of area of circle, that is pi r square, 1/2 multiplied by 22/7 multiplied by radius of large semicircle is 10, so it is written 2 times centimeter square. 2 1s are 2, 2 11s are 22. Now students, we will multiply 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 11, and it is divided by 7, and we will get the area of large semicircle, and that is 157.14 centimeter square. Now students, area of this small semicircle will be found out whose radius is 5 centimeter, because the diameter of small semicircle is 10, so radius will be 5. Now it is written as area of small semicircle, and that will be 1/2 multiplied by pi r square, 1/2 multiplied by 22/7 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 centimeter square. 2 1s are 2, 2 11s are 22. Now students, we will multiply 5, 5 and 11, and it is divided by 7, and that will be the area of the small semicircle, and it is 39.29 centimeter square. Now students, area of large quarter circle will be found out, and then we will find area of small quarter circle. Area of large quarter circle, that will be 1/4 multiplied by pi r square. 1/4 means students quarter circle, and it is written as 1/4 multiplied by 22/7 multiplied by radius of large quarter circle is 10, so it is written 2 times 10 multiplied by 10 centimeter square. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Now students, 22 and 25 will be multiplied and divided with 7, and we will get the area of the large quarter, and that is 78.57. 78.57 centimeter square is the area of large quarter circle. Now area of small quarter circle will be found out. Area of small quarter circle, that will be 1/4 multiplied by 22/7 multiplied by radius of small quarter circle is 7, so it is written 2 times centimeter square. 7 will be cancelled to 7. 2 11s are 22 and 2 2s are 4. Now students, say 11 multiplied by 7 means 77, and it is divided by 2, and it is the area of small and quarter circle, and that is 38.5 centimeter square. Now students, 157.14, 39.29 78.57. All these three areas will be added up, and this area, that is the blank area, will be subtracted to find the shaded area of shaded region. So students, it is written as area of shaded region or shaded part, that will be 157.14 plus 39.29 plus 78.57 minus 38.5 centimeters square. Students, I am explaining it again. 157.14 is the area of large semicircle. 39.29 is the area of this small semicircle. 78.57 is the area of this large quarter circle, and 38.5 is the area of this small quarter circle. So students, we will subtract this blank from all the three regions. Now students, use your calculator to find the answer. So students, the answer is 236.5 centimeters square is the area of the shaded part of this question. Students, question number 15. There is a figure in which BCD is a semicircle and ABCD is a square of side 10 meter. We have to find the perimeter of the shaded region, as well as we have to find the area of the shaded region. So students, keep in mind that the perimeter will be the circumference of this semicircle, whose diameter is square root of 200. We will find the radius of this semicircle, and then BC, that is 10, will be added, and then CD, that is also 10, will be added in the circumference of the semicircle, and that will be the perimeter. So first we have to find the radius of this semicircle. So it is written as radius will be equal to square root of 200 over 2, because 200 is the under root 200 is the diameter, and when we will find the square root of 200, it will be, students, 14.14 over 2 meter, and when it is divided by 2, we will get 7.07 meter is the radius of this semicircle. Now students, we will find the circumference of the semicircle. So it is written as circumference of semicircle, and that will be 1 over 2 multiplied by 2 pi r. 2 will be cancelled to 2, and 22 over 7 multiplied by 7.07 meter. Students, 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7, 7 0s are 0, and 7 1s are 7. So it is 22 multiplied by 1.01 meter. Now students, we will use calculator to find the circumference of the semicircle, and that will be 1.01, and we will have 22.22. 22.22 meter is the circumference of the semicircle. Now we have to find the perimeter. So total perimeter will be 22.22 from D to B, and then we have to add the number BC, whose length is 10, plus 10, as well as we have to add CD, whose length is also 10. So it will be meter. 22.22 plus 10 means, students, 42.22 meter is the circumference of the shaded region. Now we have to find the area of the shaded part. Now students, first I will find the area of the semicircle, then area of triangle BCD will be subtracted from the area of the semicircle, and that will be the area of shaded region. So first I will find area of the semicircle. Area of the semicircle, and that is 1 over 2 multiplied by pi r square. 1 over 2 multiplied by 22 over 7 multiplied by radius is, students, 7.0107 and it is written 2 times as it is square. Now students, we will use calculator to find the product. 2 1 are 2, 2 11 are 22, 7 1 are 7, 7 1 are 7, 7 0 are 0 and 7 1 are 7. Now students, we will multiply all the three numbers and get the product, and that is 11 multiplied by 1.01 multiplied by 7.07 and it is 78.55. 78.55 meters square is the area of this small circle, semicircle. Now we have to find the area of triangle BCD, and it is written as area of triangle BCD is equal to 1 over 2 multiplied by base multiplied by height. As angle C is right angle, so its base will be CD and height will be BC, and both the sides are 10 meter each, so it is written as 1 over 2 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 meters square. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, and it is 50 meters square. Now students, area of shaded region will be 78.55 minus 50 meters square. Subtract 50 from 78.55 and we will have 28.55 meters square is the area of this shaded region. So students, it's enough for today. May Allah Almighty bless you all the time.